welcome back to the channel. I'm Michael Studebaker, and today we're going to be talking about what most self-made millionaires have in common, and just what are some of the things that they do, which you guys can apply to your life and just everyday stuff to become successful and just get into the habit of doing so. So if you haven't already, please subscribe, like the video, and hit the notification bell if you want to see more content on personal finance and investing. Now, let's get straight into the video. So an article published by Inc.com found that 65% of self-made millionaires have 3 sources of income, 45% have 4 sources, and 29% have 5 sources or more of income. That's a far difference from a person who's pulling in their entire paycheck from a single job. And this small difference could end up making you a lot of money over your career if you use it to your advantage. So it really comes down to creating value with your time and doing things that lead you to what you want to achieve. It usually looks something like, first one, main job. This is your priority. Number 2 is investments. It's the things you place your money in. Number 3, the side job. What else you can do with your time that you have left over. And just doing this spreads out your risk. You don't have 100% of your money coming in from one source. If something happens to your main job, you're out basically. This allows you something to fall back on. It also allows you to focus on passive sources of income, or income that doesn't require 100% of your attention, which is money you can make in addition to your main job. If you ever want to scale back or have more free time, this is easier to achieve. It also allows you to better leverage your time. For me, I have 5 sources of income currently. Due to COVID, I'm looking for a main job, or it would be 6. My first one would be the main job, but I'm currently looking for one right now. Second one is dividend stocks, passive income. Number 3, crypto staking with BlockFi, passive income. Number 4, crypto mining, passive income. And number 5, selling shoes, clothing on the side. Hopefully in the future, YouTube I can get as a passive income. And number 7, REITs, passive income. So you can just see like the layout: main business, investments, and then side job. There's almost like a trickle down effect, where you have your primary source of income, which can be funneled through other avenues to make you even more money, hopefully which require less attention than your main job, because main job should be priority. The most successful people I see all have these income streams. Some of them have products they sell, and maybe some invest in real estate, some invest in stocks, and some own their own side businesses. It's less important about what they're doing and more important, to realize that this is one of the best things to do. So what can you do basically? Figure out what you want. Do you want something that's entirely passive? Do you want something that'll make you more where you're actively involved, playing an active role in it? How much time do you have to dedicate to this? What do you like doing? What's your passion? There are also plenty of other passive income sources like affiliate marketing, writing ebooks, building apps, YouTube, website ad revenue, peer-to-peer lending. I'm a believer that more and more opportunities are shifting to online and mobile. So anything you can set up online will likely do well long term. I also like businesses that don't require 100% of your attention, where you can leverage your time for something that works around the clock, basically. So I'd highly recommend doing more research into these types of opportunities. There's so much potential for it, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, please subscribe, like the video, and hit the notification bell want to see more in personal finance and investing. So I hope that this video can just show you guys the general pattern of self-made millionaires and their income streams, and apply it to your life, and just to maximize your time and money earned. Remember, consistency is key and hard work pays off. Thanks guys. I'm Michael, and I'll see you guys in the next video.